Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Today we have introduced a new 25 days formula challenge in Excel. This will be helpful for the freshers who are completing their degree in their college or else to the professionals who are starting in their career. They want to know the Excel. At the end of 25th day, you can able to view all the basic formula whichever is needed for the day-to-day activities. Let's not waste the time, just jump into the video. The first day, day one, so we are going to see the some formula in Excel. So the entire video I'm going to use a same data set so that it will be easy for you to analyze and understand the formulas however you're using. If you're watching the video first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Let's jump into the one. So this data set is downloaded from Google. Even you can download it from the Google as well. So this data set contains the sales data where you can able to see the order date, region, city, category, product, quantity, unit and total price of the product sold over the particular region. So now in the day one challenge, this is all about sum formula. So I'm just merging this up and I'm mentioning it as putting bold and sum formula. So now I'm just taking the value of the whole data and I'm moving it and pasting it here. Now suppose if you want to see the total quantity of the product of the whole year, how much you have sold, you can use the sum formula to do it. So just press equal to sum and select the region wherever you want to do the data. Close the bracket, click enter, it will get auto added the values. To begin with formula, we are using either plus symbol or equal to symbol. So the next method is using plus in the beginning. So I'm using plus and then press Ctrl Shift and up arrow key to select your whole column. Just click on enter. It says error. Some error is there. Yeah, because we have added some. We forgot to add the sum formula over there. Plus sum of, yeah, see we can get the overall value. And then the total value. Even the other method you can get is like pressing Ctrl or it will automatically take the formula to the right side, whichever is from the left side of the column it will take the same formula to the right side. So which means Ctrl or means Ctrl right. So this is simple shortcut guys. So day one we have learned how to use the sum formula and how to make a shortcut to move the formula to the right. And also this sum formula can be used only for the numbers and numerical values. We cannot able to use the sum formula for text values. Sum formula is nothing but the addition of the total value, which is like basic mathematical how we are adding the values of the given time. Hope you have enjoyed this video. So see you in the next day. Bye bye. Thank you and Jai Hind.